Hi, it's Laura here at the Charleston Holistic Center, and we're kind of doing a little bit of a follow on to yesterday's discussion. This one is about attachment. Yesterday's discussion was all about attachment to our own story and still being whatever it was whenever it happened and holding that. I talked about throwing your story out the window. Today, I'm going to ask you, what else are you attaching to? What? What aspect of yourself? What persona are you attaching to that isn't actually accurate nor serving you? This kind of goes along with the spring cleaning challenge we've got going on right now. What's going on in your head? What emotions are you attaching to? I talk about this because been there, done that really horribly for quite a number of years. The only way forward is to let go of the past. And the whole philosophy of non-attachment isn't about becoming emotionless. It's about allowing things that have emotional charge to be let go. So do a little spring cleaning in your head and your heart and your soul, wherever it works. Or heck, if you have physical things that are you're attached to that really belong in the past and pull up an emotional charge that is not good, do a little cleaning on this. Let it go. Lighten up. It's a really awesome feeling. I've been doing this a lot more recently. It's a really, really awesome feeling. And you can do it too. Just say it. Thank you and namaste.